Hello. Today, eliminated contestants will be rejoining. Who's going to compete again? You already know the answer. Mustang. Wait, is it true I finally rejoined? Yup. Which team am I on? Actually, you're on your own for the rest of this competition. Line up for the next challenge. Alright, final 7. Which one you moves will be up for elimination? Begin. So I can't move. Nope. Dude, man, you move, so you're up for elimination. Really? Oh, I can't move. Well, you cannot move to both. See. Can I finish the rest of the challenge? Sure, good. Alright, you heard what Corolla said. Whoever moves loses. Hey, you moved me on purpose. You both are for elimination. Huh? You're going to move. Shut up. You moved. You moved. You're all up for elimination. So nobody won the contest. Nope. Vote for which one of those 7 contestants to be eliminated. Eliminated. Well, that's what I said. Voting ends after Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time on the 5th season of The Car Show.